Good evening, yarn lovelies. Affairs of Two Needles here. Jody, I'm your host. This is my current situation right now. I've decided to come out on this beautiful Thursday evening and just crochet. It's such a beautiful night tonight. Lightning bugs aren't out yet. I'll make sure I get some for you then. Just sitting here on my deck, watching the water, watching people play disc golf, enjoying my time. A lot to talk about. I've missed you all. I have exciting news, and maybe we'll do a stitch and chat tomorrow. That would be nice. I love the sound of the evening. Now that it's almost the end of July, you're hearing all of nature. And my air conditioning, sorry about that. But if you're tuning in tonight, or checking out my video tonight, I'll reveal what I'm going to be making there. My yarn. I don't have everything on me tonight, so I can't go into detail. But I just wanted to let you know that I'm here. I'm relaxed. I'm enjoying my Pellegrino, Grigio. There's nothing in it, it's just water, even though it's Thursday. And just enjoying the evening. We'll do a Friday evening stitch and chat. Maybe we'll do it if it's a nice evening from my fire pit and my outside sofa. Until then, I'll see you tomorrow.